Today we're at 4582 Alla Road. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, single-story home is an elegant architectural home in the heart of Del Rey. When you walk in, you have an open, spacious floor plan with gorgeous hardwood floors and an abundance of natural light. The living room flows seamlessly to the outside through folding glass doors onto a custom Ipe wood deck. With an integrated audio system and plenty of room for friends and family to gather, it's the perfect space for al fresco dining and entertaining. The generous master bedroom is gracefully separated from the rest of the home and features an ensuite bathroom and a nice outdoor deck space that can be used for storage or as a patio. This tastefully remodeled home is not something to pass up.